Hello everyone. Dunia ka biology chapter 2 ka ipandiwa kay Miss Kim kaya. And then we want to give a big thanks to Siamsin Tutorials for organizing this more for the students. More like ipaway sa mga kamap ito weekend ya. Aba na chapter 2 ka ay main. Class 12 ka mo ay lit by that ka 6 sa tipan knowledge. 6 class 11 ka 1 to 5 tani mali. Class 12 ka 6 ka da 10 so 5 minutes mali continuous stage. So via English chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 it's all about introduction, alright? By heart, bone. Hiwa, chapter 1 means the meaning of the chapter 2 kapalugam. So chapter 2 bang mga important chile, flower structure, flowers sunga bangon. Enter, be still, why sunga pollen grains to kung nasa hindi mama, pollen grains kung nakasindi mo. About egg, female structures and how this fertilization takes place and what happens after fertilization. Fruit banga, seed banga, bang 24 months kung abek kamon. Isindi chapter 2 ka. This is a very vast chapter and it's also a really important chapter for especially for the diagrams. Alright, diagrams they have chapter 2 pa naman. Diagrams they have. So be ready with your pen, paper, notebook. We have textbook. That's very good. Textbook to. Quite yung kadatulong na. Wala. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Topics to be covered: flower structure, pre-fertilization. Fertilization, masang mga structures and events. Double fertilization, post-fertilization, what happens after fertilization, and flowering plants. Flowering plants ha, other name of Yulia, and just farms like isang Yulia. Flowering plants are also known as angiosperms. Mara, banawan sa pag-exist at pag-invite seed ang lawa ng chan. For the natural form, I will concept and image comma. So let's start with the structure of the flower. Okay, sama pa mga flower na tinuro mo na mga flower through stigma style. Okay, mo na. Sure. Stigma mo na. Stigma ang kapamita. Style. Ang kapamita. Structure of the flower. If I ask you, what do you think are the essential words or parts of the flower which takes part in the production? You can tell you what pangbangan di. Ay lagi mo na. Style. Pangbangan suba. Ikaw sebab sebenarnya flower semua ya non-essential words non-essential means virtue important about the stigma style of about the stigma style of the gynoecium is a male here. Gynoecium. Amendang bang pistil legacy. Carbon legacy. Here. Okay. Enter in filament lang. Bangkichi. Together. Enter in filament bangkichi. Stamen legacy. Wala. Stamen. Stamen legacy. Or androecium. Yeah. Androecium. Gyno chỉ là học female. Same wala. Gynoecium, gynecologist. Androecium chỉ là male part of the same. So this is the structure of the flower. You have to know what are the essential parts and what are the non-essential parts. Essential parts table. Essential parts table. Essential parts table. Pistil, carpel, or gynoecium. We also call it gynoecium. Stamen, or androecium. Well, these are essential for organs. Non-essential table, sepals and petals. Right? So now, what do we need to study here in the pistil and stamen? We have to study what is inside this ovaries enters. Why do we need to study? Because we need to find out where are the male and female gametes. Gametes means structures, which can form a new individual. So, hindi sale male gamit ko yata kita na, female gamit ko yata kita na, mala male, mala inside the testis, female inside ovary. So this is why here with flowers it's distinctive image. What are the structures where the male and female gametes are present? So it is inside these two. So they are the essential ones which are important for reproduction. Okay, so we need to study this. So first let us study stamen. Are we with stamen? Stamen are enter. Filament just so we are left with enter. Here the male gametes, or we call it pollen grains, are present. So we are going to study the structure of enter by transversation sunga pangama asunga ilusu. For example, nolium. Why nolium? No hat pellet in the sunga, no cadanom kiti, asunga, no cadanom kiti, asunga, no cadanom kiti, jidan. So enter sunga bangan kacyangaha, structure omtika, asunga omtika. Banga ituglay nimo spores ay hilawne, pollen grains ka, bakchiki forma, kuya oma mo. Next will be structure of enter. Structure of enter. Why do we need to study the structure of enter? Because inside this pollen grains are present. Enter a structure a structure important. We need to know what are all these meaning. Structure enter tun pagan leo china male part pen powder dan yellow color tampi na mo ya yellow color tampi na mo ya ja paga kha white kha banga pollen grains chu male white pollen grains de kha enter tu ma me chu. So these are the pollen grains de kha the male reproductive gametes chu ma white pen kha ithe na dinga khai sunga ome chama kha khai sunga padan po khe chama ha enter pin ha easy na mala. So structure of enter amasapena ha lob ni na mo ya do see these two lobs ja ki zom mala na ki zom na kha lob ni hin chinwai ja kha bai lob ki chin bai lob bang china because they are two lobs. Hey, by lob in kha covering na chin two covering we call it two theka masaga kha dithecus COUS here dithecus mala. Why? Because they have two covering. บ้านให้จุดที่สายหมดฟิลาเมนต์ตัว important เป็นจุดให้ส่งค่ะ enter ค่ะอีกจังค่ะส่งค่ะลุมเหลียวไม่รู้ why ลุมเหลียวค่ะ it consists of 4 tetragonal structures we call it what 4 จังค่ะมั้ง tetra ก็จะเทียมมาแล้ว tetra spore ren jet เลยก็จีไอ้เราเลย micro or Microsporangia เลยก็จี excuse me Microsporangia ก็จีเจ้าจะเจ้าจุดแบบว่า plural มาเลยขัดเจ้าให้เลยจุด Microsporangia ก็จี so those are the structure inside and then ให้ Microsporangia ให้เราเลยให้ Microsporangia ที่ค่ะ on teaching the how we call it same name we also call it pollen sacs but the pollen sacs which you are because they are the structure which contain the pollen grains right so Microsporangia later develops into pollen sac I mean they quite change me but you know the structure is the same I have confused lo di ma I have structure of entire banga important number 1 amaw kha lob ni neu by lob number 2 covering ni neu hai kha theka kichi why theka THECA hai kha diathecus kichi abana asunga kha 4 tetragonal structures som hoi pen kha tetrasporangia kichinchin or Microsporangia kha holle de uchanga kha pollen sacs kichi clear no so this is the structure of enter so the question is now why do we need to study the structure of Microsporangium why do we need to study because this is the structure where we will get pollen grains bangay tuk lai ngim penu ka pollen grains bang chidan dawa hon piang hia chi ha mo lai itheu du kha itheu du le chu this is an answer Microsporangium sunga mai changa how we have to study this and yeah so next topic bang ka chi thei structure of bangay hi Microsporangia thầy diam hay pen chau isim diwam so that we can know what is inside are you with me everyone ma hay craft diam hay kha diagram draw la notebook wa pen pencil color pens you can use it so you have to start maintaining your notes properly all right so that you know can study every day me ya baby lawa notebook na lay diu textbook na lay som diu ki hon na na do na maintain the notes there so next ka Microsporangium mala ka important din Microsporangium pena kha tun kha abula patkipan ni enter ma draw zel di mo diagram ta matam hi hi chapter kha thada thailo diagram draw di himai kha Microsporangium ta chu a structure ent lai male ai pi kha see it's very interesting here so this is the epidermis a green to hai a black kala kha in this middle there will be some cells which are known as endotissue ka draw maybe a confused na ding in mo abana we have middle layers and then we have tapetum and then this one I'll just write one alright I'll just write one so what can draw now this has sporogenous tissue structure of Microsporangia mabanggel ding thading apoy mo te number 1 ay bang first outermost layer ay bang epidermis yeah a second bang endothecium kichi baya poy mo na hon indication nga lewchin mo ay kha middle layers tapitam la igal mang hilala poy mo pen mo ay kha tapitam Sinai kha bang sporogenous tissue ki ma. Sporogenous tissue ki. See, jaga hai ke ka gele mang jaga important ne chi janga kha sporogenous tissue at the center hai sunga khabangam ka chita spores somale spores de khabang pollen grains somale inside this there are spores and pollen grains which are the same thing obviously. So the pollen grains only janga kha it's so important because it's going to take part in the production, so we need to protect it. We have to make a way for them when they are mature come out so that they can stay on the surface of the anthers. No, these are the two things. So these 1, 2, and 3 they help in protection. You have to protect. Okay. Future point protect mala ina daina level mala protection adina. So protect in China bana a second function bang hai tingthumin bang kachi. What are these 3 functions? For protection as well as spores pollen grains when they become mature they have to come out only no male come out if the cells were like no you cannot come, if they just block you, will they be able to come out of sporogenous tissue? No. So who are these people who gave the passage or the way so that the pollen grains can be released? Or those epidermis, endothelium, and middle layers. So that is very important. Dehiscence, spelling what DEHISSCENCE. Dehiscence. And the petam function. This one is also very important because it's used to come in exams, and it plays a very important role because they are the only one layer which give nourishment to the developing pollen grains. These small pollen grains, they have to eat food so that they can become mature and come out of this sporogenous tissue, or in the center they have to come out. So for that they need to be nourished, they have to eat food, and who gives that? The petal. So I'll just write it helps in nourishing the developing pollen grains. Yeah, nourishing the developing pollen grains. So this is it. So as I told you, what is the function of the petal? It develops, nourishes. It nourishes the developing pollen grains. Pollen grains ko yung hai sunga ki form de jana. Yeah, pollen grains ka amal khan petu anapyak lo le kha pollen grains de kha hon mature thai lo diu jin hon por ka thai lo diu ngon jin ha surface honom thai lo diu. So like each of them afe ko kha poi mo dan kha tuan cha de jumale poimo lo tuan chon lo epidermis, endothelium, and middle layer ha yun sama banga amao kha kungel gal thak dio protection and dehiscence dehiscence bang china release of pollen grains pollen grains de hon ke release ne dinga kha dehiscence ki chi hoi kha atam hinji the petam chu pollen grains de unpetu so that they can become mature and come out achile hai khabanga structure of Microsporangia. Clear? Structure of Microsporangia. Now we can see how the pollen grains are formed from this sporogenous tissue. And then they are simple the win kha. See, sporogenous tissue kha a center arm ka chibela mole. The center small center of the Microsporangia kha. And then pollen grains were present inside. So how is it formed? Let us see. Kapan mayo sporogenous tissue ha ilam kapan di de awa kha olo la kha hon ki transform mun chin cell tampi cell tom cell tampi hon form y cell ti kha bang ki chai chile pollen mother cell PMC bang china pollen because they form pollen grains mother because this is a starting cell the mother. So sporogenous tissue tin kha they'll transform into pollen mother cells. And these pollen mother cells, they will undergo cell division, meiosis, meiosis to form 4 microspores. Bang idea no pollen grains bang ki form ai chu male hai chu pollen grains ki form dan kha asung ai sunga thil tung kha 4 microspores they kha they'll later form what? They'll later form each of them they'll later form ituk piano bang pollen grains. Pollen grains ki form chu. Sporogenous tissue kha pollen mother cell form pollen mother cell kha 4 microspores form 4 microspores kha later they form pollen grains. So we can just compress it into one definition. The formation of the microspores or pollen grains from the pollen mother cell by the process of meiosis is known as microsporogenesis. Siang mana? Hai mai chu microsporogenesis. Pollen grains, microspores para pollen grains on ki form the thing there are some 2-3 steps that we will do in the next class. The formation of the pollen grain from microspore and the structure of pollen grain, which is very important. So we'll do that in the next class. So we are done for today. Thank you so much. And then if you have any doubts, you write your comment in the comments below. Then until then, bye-bye.